Hey friends, I just wanted to show some new additions to my wall collection. I got this sun and moon, and I just absolutely love the design on it. Very colorful, which I love. I also got this, which across with a little water reservoir here for holy water. My best friend brought me back some holy water from when she went to Mexico for her trip. And so I haven't been using it. So I really love this to kind of be able to put some in there. And then this is, I think, one of my favorites. I just think this is so beautiful. This heart just decorated so beautifully with the flower on there. And then this is another cross to add to my wall, which also beautiful. And I just love the flowers. I love the design. It's made out of wood. Just beautiful. So very excited I get to add this to my wall collection here. So, and then also wanted to just kind of show how my zinnias are doing. Look, they're so beautiful. This is from the zinnia patch. Earlier in the week, I took the kids on Monday, and this is what we ended up with. I gave a lot of it away, and so it was just nice, just beautiful pop of color for my Virgin Mary there. But I love it. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.